Hey, Gator Guards. This video is a tutorial to show you how to edit your time if you clock out late for any reason at all. This is now required from all members of management. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our app, and from our home page, we're going to go ahead and hit time clock, and it's going to bring us to the next page. On this page here, we're going to go ahead and hit end shift. Once we hit end shift, it's going to bring up this page. We're going to go ahead and hit end shift again. And that's going to bring us to the shift details. At shift details, we're going to hit edit shift. And once we hit that, the edit request page will come up. I was supposed to get off at 9:25. I forgot to clock out. I clocked out at 9:30. So I'm going to back my time up to 9:25, and I'm going to hit confirm. Once I hit confirm, it's going to bring us back to this page. Now you're required to put a note. My reason would be I forgot to clock out. But let's just say that the client asked you to stay late or your relief was late. Of course, you're not going to edit your time because you want to get paid for that. But here you would let us know the reason why you clocked out late. Or let's just say you clocked in late because it was a car accident. Of course, you're not going to edit that time. You're going to go ahead and get paid from the time you got there. But here we need to know why you're late. But also, we should have gotten a phone call before you were late. But once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click got it. And that's going to notify us. Thank you.